Hey, my beautiful people, how are you doing? Today, we're giving tomato stew a little break. Now, let's go into making this fish carrot sauce together. All right, it's just so simple. You can do it at any time. If today is your first day of seeing this channel, welcome to this unique and beautiful channel. In this channel, we make soups in large quantity. We make all kinds of rice. We make just Nigerian dishes here. And if that interests you, you can subscribe to the channel, turn on your bell notification so you'll be among the first to see our videos. And if you're my returning subscriber, you know I love and I appreciate you. Okay? So you go ahead to debone your mackerel fish. After deboning, you wash it properly and add it to a bowl. You then go ahead to mix your seasonings, all-purpose seasoning, ginger and garlic seasoning, fish seasoning, and then you toss it into an all-purpose flour. You're going to use it to marinate the fish. All right, just carefully rub it onto the fish. Okay, rub it very well. Make sure it's well combined, that every single fish has gotten a dip of that all-purpose flour, and then set it aside for 10 minutes to settle. Now moving on to the frying section. All right, we want this crunchy. That's basically why we had to toss it into the all-purpose flour. Now we'll add it into a vegetable oil or any cooking oil you have available. When it's brown, okay, you flip it to the other side so all the sides can be equally cooked. Now after frying, you remove it and you set it aside for later reintroduction. If you've watched up until now, kindly hit that like button and turn on your notification bell for more videos like this. All right, you won't get it anywhere else if not here, okay, in our own unique way. All right, yeah. So there was a leftover liver in the freezer, so I just had to put it. All right, so cooked it and then we'll fry it until it's golden brown. Of course, it's brown already, but at least a bit dried, and then you remove it and set it aside as well. Now, because there are lots of flavors into the oil we use in frying the fish and the liver, we're going to reintroduce the oil into a pan. Saute your onions until it's fragrant. Add your ginger and garlic paste, stir together to combine. Now I do not like my soup or my sauce lazy, okay, so we're going to heat it up with pepper. Okay, after adding the pepper, you're going to stir and you introduce the carrot. This carrot is the way I prefer, cut to your preferred shape and size. After adding the carrot, you introduce your bell peppers. In there we have red, yellow and green bell pepper. Then I introduce water immediately. Add any season of choice, stir together to combine, and reintroduce the fish and the liver you fried earlier. After adding the proteins, you're going to bind the sauce. For the binder, you can use corn flour or cornstarch or all-purpose flour as the case may be. For the purpose of the sauce, I used corn flour. All right, you can also use corn flour to thicken your soup if you don't have achi or ofo available. I made the corn flour into a slurry with dark soy sauce and I used it to thicken the sauce. As you can see, the sauce is ready. You can pair with rice, yam, plantain or boiled potato. Till I meet you in my next one, do have a pleasant day.